Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to another video of the Diving Trader. My name is Daniel. Today, guys, I'm going to be giving you an outlook, an update on my portfolio. It's been a few weeks since I've uploaded a video, so apologies for that. So I want to get back into the swing of things. So let's have a look at the portfolio until date. There's been a change. I've invested some more, injected some more money into the portfolio. Okay, and that's good news. We're up 25% to date, so this is really good. Probably the last time you saw my video, I had invested around about 1,700 and I was up 13%. So I've injected some more money in, and in turn that's increased my return, which is really quite good, quite promising. So I'm happy about that. For you guys that want to see that, want to copy this, you can actually see this in the Trading212 app. Okay, in the Trading212 app, you can copy the portfolio I have. So feel free to, if you are a user on the Trading212, go in and copy that. Let's have a look. There's actually 9 investments in total. Okay. And some of the ones that I've included are Alpine 4 Technologies, so I'm up 3.3% on that, so it's not too bad, so it's just under €8. We have Aston Martin. Now Aston Martin, they've combined the shares, okay, so it used to be 100 shares, and I think they took 20 shares and combined them into one, so now I have 5 shares. So it doesn't actually change the what you have, just change the amount of shares, so the value doesn't change in itself. So there's not a lot of movement on Aston Martin at the moment. As you can see from the graph, there's been little change. Well, there's been a slight increase, but it's quite good. So it's a 31% increase again on this. Next one is Galaxy Next Generation. Okay, so Galaxy Next Generation is one of these stocks that could either make you rich or not. Okay, hence the reason why there's not a great deal of money. Well, I say not a great deal. Just over, just under €100. I think it was, yeah, €100. So it's a real cheap stock, and I'm really hoping that this will go in the right direction. Okay, let's hope this goes up. This is the only stock that I have that actually is a risk, which I really do not have any confidence in the fact that I don't have any fundamental basis, finance worksheet to work with. Okay, it's really quite a gamble. So this could really go up, and if it does, I'll be so happy. If not, then it's €100 lost. Okay, so I'm prepared to lose on this one if need be. However, on the others, I'm not. On the other stocks that I do have, the other 8 I do believe there are companies that will grow in the future, hence the reason for keeping on for them for a long time. The next one is GAN. Okay, so GAN is up 42%. I'm up 42% on that, so that's quite good. Those of you that don't know GAN is a software service for online casino gaming. Okay, so this is quite an appealing company, and this is a company that I quite like simply because I think these sort of companies survive when there's lockdowns, okay, or there's a market crash, whatever. People are always gambling. I think gambling is actually becoming worse worldwide. So I'm betting on these types of companies. The next one is, I've just bought this just about over an hour ago actually. This is iShares. iShares is an ETF company, ETF, sorry, ETF, and like I said, I've only just bought this just over an hour ago, and it's I'm down 0.27%. So we'll keep an eye on this. But again, this is a long term. This is to hold on for the next at least minimum 5 years. NEO. Now NEO is the big one in the actually portfolio, the biggest one that I have invested. There's been a lot of changes, a lot of ups and downs, but NEO is probably my most favorite stock. simply because I see so much potential for this in the future. You'll have seen on my channel that I've got a video that I dedicated to Neo, and in fact probably in the next week or so I'll put another video for Neo up on the updates, so go through that in detail. So I'm up 22% on that, so it's really quite good. 22%. It's a shame about all these foreign exchange, so obviously I'm paying in euros, so you lose up quite a lot on this. It's a shame really, but that's part of investing. Nokia is the next one. Now Nokia is actually one that actually sold a few weeks ago, and I'm buying it back again just because I see so much potential for it. So I sort of regretted selling it. I thought I'd better buy back the shares because I think around about a couple of years time I'd be regretting why I'd sold them. So I bought back 160 euros worth of shares here. Okay, so let's hope the future's bright for Nokia. Another company, Skills, again similar to GAN. This is a company that provides monetization services to game developers, i.e. betting online, okay, for sports. Okay, so this is a company that, again, I've just bought this yesterday, so this is quite promising, and I see a lot of potential for this as well. So this is a company which I might be doing some dollar cost averaging, adding in some money if it goes down a little bit more. The last is the Tesla. Now Tesla's just going crazy at the moment. As you can see, it's actually up to date as I'm recording this is at $874. It's just crazy, crazy but great. And I only have just over one share on that, and that's the stock that's giving me most return at the moment. So it's a staggering 76%. There'll be a lot more people that are making a lot more money on this, I know, but I'm quite happy for what I've got so far. I think it's really good return on buying one stock for Tesla, and actually doubting, or I don't know whether to sell or not. Whether I think right, it's really reached a high price. It's probably worth selling, make some profit, and then reinvest. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I appreciate that. So what you think? Should I buy? Should I hold, or should I sell? So guys, that's a little bit of an update on my portfolio. As I mentioned already, guys, you can actually go into the Trading212 app, look for Diving Trader or this Futures Beyond, and you can copy my my chart. I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you've liked the video, give a like, and if you haven't subscribed before, just hit the subscribe button. Thanks, guys, and see you soon.